Go see if we can catch some fish.
Yeah, or something else.
Or something else.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
I'm scared, yeah.
I don't know what that is in English, do you? Skräddare.
Bug scare.
Bug scare?
Yeah.
Okay. A little water skimmer, maybe, I think.
Maybe.
Something like that.
Yeah.
All right, so here we are at our favourite little spot in Sweden. It's probably one of our most visited areas at the minute, just because it looks like this, to be honest, all the time. It's lovely. And for some reason, there's basically never anybody here. So we've normally got the place to ourselves at the moment, although it is almost school holidays now in Sweden. So I assume it'll start getting a bit busier from here on, but it's so nice here. They can sort of just do whatever they want. It's nice and shallow in the water and stuff. Just really nice, to be honest. And the van sits really nice down there as well. So yeah, top spot, this one. So me and the kids are up here cooking soup at the moment. And that's what they're doing. Whilst Molin's down there working a bit. She's had in a few orders since the last video for little cuddly toys and stuff, especially those rabbits that we showed in the last video. So if you're one of those people that's ordered, massive thanks. It is so much fun. Molin's really happy and obviously really excited to get started on them. So she started straight away, bless her. So yeah, massive thanks if you're one of those people that's supported us and ordered one of those. Soup. Thanks, mate. That was good. That was really nice soup. What flavour is it?
It's tomato and carrot.
Tomato and carrot soup. That sounds really nice. What flavour's yours?
Tomato soup.
Tomato soup. Lovely.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah.
Needs a bit more salt and a little bit more pepper, maybe. Are you guys going to come and show me your new tattoos then?
Yeah.
Can I see? What have you got? That looks so cool, man. A little dinosaur. You got one on your leg as well, haven't you? What's that one? Dinosaur driving a car. Brilliant. You've got one there, look. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You're starting to look like Papa.
Yeah.
Don't be too sad about it, mate.
Yeah.
Look at this luxury crochet lady, eh? Sat out in the sun. Going all right? Oh, she's counting. I get this quite a lot. I'll start a conversation with her and I don't hear back for 2 to 3 business days.
Sure.
See you testing out the new fancy little chairs as well, look.
Yeah, they're perfect for this.
So good, aren't they?
Because, like, you know, if you sit on a normal chair, then I need to make sure that nothing falls on the ground.
Yeah.
These are perfect for this.
Yeah, they're really good, aren't they? Isn't it luxury, eh? Being able to work outside.
Yeah. It feels crazy that this is work.
Yeah. Yeah, it's so nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
You doing all right?
Yeah, except I broke a hook.
Oh, no. We need to go hook shopping today, then.
Yeah.
Mm.
It was actually my mom's old, and I think that she got it from her, like, mom or even grandma. So it's not strange that it broke, because it's like a plastic thing on them.
I mean, it's not surprising if it's generations old, I suppose. But
No, because I didn't know that I would enjoy it this much. I've not bought. Well, yeah, I have bought a couple, but
you borrowed a few bits, didn't you?
yeah, I have like the first 8 sizes of hooks is inherited.
Inherited, yeah.
It's gone in generations.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so we might need to go and do some shopping because got orders now.
You have, haven't you?
Yeah.
Busy lady.
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
It's so fun.
So much fun.
We appreciate so much that so many of you ordered stuff after the last video. It feels so much fun and it feels lovely to have you guys as the support like this.
Yeah, it's a proper nice feeling of support, isn't it?
Yeah,
Definitely.
it's
It's
lovely.
really nice.
Down.
Dodge. Down.
Down.
Down. Punch. Punch. Down. Jump. Jump. Dodge. Hey! You guys doing your exercises?
Yeah.
Tell you what, we found a good thing there, haven't we? Super Mario kids exercises.
Yeah, it's a perfect thing.
It's really good,
I
isn't it?
think it's so much fun.
Yeah.
They're outside, they're running.
Yeah. Bit of exercise. Really good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah. Put your arms up just like Mario. Yeah. Keep going, star jumps. And kick. Kick. Left. Right. Left. Jump. Jump. Down. Kick. Yeah, we did it. High five. Ciao. Nice.
Alright, so we're heading into town now to see if we can find a new crochet hook so I can get all the orders ready for you guys. It's so typical. I've been using this hook for what, a year now, a year and a half or something, and not a single problem. And like the first stitch basically that I did today, it broke.
And it's on like the first nice summer day that we've had in ages.
Yeah, exactly. It's so typical. Like we've had rain for 2 weeks now probably.
Yeah.
And today is the first day where it's not forecasted any rain at all and we have to go into town to do shopping.
Not
But
a big problem though, is it?
No, we're going to change spot anyway, so we'll just do this on the way and go to another place. So
Yeah.
it'll be alright.
Hi Mama, good luck. What are we doing?
I'm gonna do yes.
Oh yeah, you got a new magazine, didn't you?
Yeah, from Farmo.
From Farmore, that was nice of her.
Yeah. Start them here.
Yeah.
Yes, we may become to Nemo.
Maybe. Look at that. Nice one. Is it fun?
Yeah.
How is he the coolest kid you've ever seen in your life? How did you manage to bear one of the coolest kids ever? Look at you.
I mean, exactly, look at me.
Hey!
Red, fancy.
Fancy pants.
Och nu får spela skannen då.
You good, mate?
Charlie fick få 6 och fick bara få på. Ja.
Go, go, go! Run! Best day ever.
Then people wonder why it takes us 3 hours to do shopping of 3 things.
Good driving, Charlie. You're a good driver, mate, you are. What are you doing? You go silly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, what did we buy when we went shopping?
Pink donuts.
Pink donuts. And where are we going to go and eat them?
And Ufa.
One more Far's boat.
Mum and Ufa's boat.
Yeah, they've got their boat over there, haven't they?
Yeah.
So we're parked here in a nice spot. And more Far over there on that boat, look. Working hard. You can see more sat on the boat there, look. There she is, more and more Far's boat.
Ska jag hålla i... Vill du ha då?
Okay, next.
Men rosett, ja. Vi ska ta ner den här då. Eller går det bra?
Jag sitter faktiskt i.
Varför ryser du då? Får du sätta dig i solen istället? Vilka munkar! Är det där era munkar?
Ja.
Oh wow!
Wow, that looks nice, Bella.
Man ljuger på.
So how's it going with your orders? Been working hard, haven't you?
Yeah.
It's about all we've been doing the last few days, isn't it?
Yeah, it's going well.
Yeah, it's good.
So it's super fun with all the orders, but now we got another big task coming up, don't we?
Yeah, we're taking on a big challenge, aren't we,
Yeah.
with the van? Now that we're back in Sweden, we've said that we want to rebuild a few bits and redo a few bits. And the massive challenge that we've decided that we're going to take on is we're going to build our own toilet.
Yeah.
So we're going to take out basically that whole part of the bathroom and build our own toilet. Which, when you say it like that, it sounds a little bit like, build your own toilet? What?
I know.
But at the moment, we've got what they call like a cassette toilet, which is quite common in like campervans and caravans and stuff like that. And it's fine.
But we're not very happy with it, to be honest.
No, toilets like that, they're fine if you're using them here and there on holiday. Maybe you're using the van at the weekends, whatever. But when you're living in it and you're using it all the time and you've got 2 kids that are using it all the time, it's not great, is it? To be honest.
I read somebody online who described it really well, I think. They said like these chemical toilets, which this is, like the chemicals that's supposed to make the toilet not smell, works about as well as a beaver rides a bike. And I think that's quite accurate. So yeah, we want to change it for multiple reasons. We do think that it does smell after.
It doesn't smell great, does it? No.
The chemicals do not do their job no matter what chemicals you use. But also the fact that you don't have to empty it in the same way. We don't have to go and find places where you can empty it. And when you're, like when we're in Tenerife, you have to pay every single time you do it. And when we're in Sweden, you need to go, like, you have to look, and it's not always close by that you can do it.
No.
So we want to make it a bit easier for ourselves and change it to something that's going to work.
Yeah.
And by making it easier, we're going to make it a lot harder to start with, because we decided to build it ourselves instead of just ordering one like normal people.
So the options are, what we're going to do is we're going to build what's called a compost toilet. And to buy one of these compost toilets, you're looking at, what were they, 15,000 krona, weren't they?
Yeah.
Which is like over £1,000, well over £1,000, over $1,000 sort of thing, at least. Probably quite a bit more than that. You're looking at probably 1,200 all in, and it's just so expensive for what it is. But that's what's on the market. But we've decided that we can probably build our own in some way.
You'll sort it out, won't you?
Yeah.
But for once, we're going to be smart and build a prototype before we start building the real thing, so we can make mistakes on the prototype.
That's the idea. Yeah.
Normally we don't do that, and normally it takes us 3 times the amount of time that we're supposed to do stuff on.
To be honest.
So hopefully, we're being smart.
We're going to be smart this time. Yeah.
But who knows?
Who knows? We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But we've just had a delivery of some bits for it, at least, which is exciting.
Yeah,
so
it was good.
We're going to try and do some measurements and see how we can do it. We can do it.
We'll see. That might be next week's video.
Maybe.
It's a good thing Tom don't got hair, otherwise he will pull your hair off.
I know. You can see it going. I'm going grey instead now. You see all that. That's what happens when you turn 30 and you've got 2 kids and 17 million projects.
Did you just point to me when you said that?
Yeah, she's 16 and a half of them. But a bit of a random nothingy episode this week, I guess.
Yeah, a bit all over the place.
Bit all over the place, but that's what it is sometimes, isn't it?
Yeah. That's how our life are.
That is exactly how it's very, very accurate. It reflects our life perfectly, to be honest. Bloody all over the place.
Yeah.
But still a little bit of fun, hopefully.
Hopefully.
All right, let's leave it there for this week then.
Yeah, thank you.
Terrible. Poor organisation. Go on, you do it.
Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the
subscribe button if you haven't already. Really important. We are growing and we're getting new subscribers every week, so it's awesome.
Awesome,
yeah. Thanks. It means a lot to us. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already.
Yes.
Give us a little like and a comment as well if you fancy it. We'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.